Imagine being able to make $10,000 while balancing classes, exams, and social life. Sounds impossible, right? But here's the secret most students overlook. You don't need a degree or years of experience to pull this off. All you need is a smart strategy and a few hours a week. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to get there. Let's get real for a second. College expenses are higher than ever, and the idea of making money later is becoming outdated. What if you didn't have to wait? Here's the truth. Financial independence doesn't magically start when you graduate. It begins with the decisions you make now. Quick question. Have you ever looked at your bank balance and thought, where did it all go? Imagine turning that frustration into excitement by having an extra $10,000 on hand. Think about what it would feel like to not only cover your expenses, but also have the freedom to pursue experiences that actually matter to you, whether it's studying abroad, attending conferences, or just going on a spontaneous weekend trip. And here's the best part. You can do this without sacrificing your grades or your social life. Stick with me, and let's break down exactly how. The first way to make serious money is freelancing. Skills like writing, graphic design, coding, or even tutoring are in high demand. Here's the beauty of freelancing. You're not stuck working 9 to 5, you set your rates, and you choose clients you enjoy working with. Imagine making $20 an hour, just a few hours a week, right from your dorm room. Plus, no one's going to complain if your office attire consists of pajamas and a coffee-stained hoodie. If you're thinking, but I don't have any skills to freelance, don't worry. Let's talk about a solution that doesn't require expertise. Thrift stores are gold mines. You'd be amazed at the things people donate: branded clothes, vintage items, even electronics. By reselling these items on platforms like eBay or Depop, you can make a solid profit. Imagine picking up a pair of branded sneakers for $10 and reselling them for $80. And here's a little secret. The thrift store technique isn't just about profit. It teaches you negotiation skills, understanding market demand, and spotting trends. So now you know how to sell something tangible. But what if you could sell something that isn't even a physical product? Digital products are a game changer. Imagine creating a $5 study guide, course, or printable that thousands of students would pay for. All it takes is an afternoon of work, and you're potentially setting up passive income. Ever thought about how much you'd pay for a study guide that guarantees you an A? Instead of buying it, create your own. Sell on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. The best part? Once it's up, it can keep making money while you're sleeping or studying. Digital products are great for long-term passive income. But what if you need cash right now? Did you know companies pay students to participate in research? Universities and private companies constantly look for student perspectives and offer decent compensation for an hour or two of your time. Think of it as being paid to be opinionated, something most of us are already pros at. And here's the best part. Some studies pay $100 or more for just an hour of your time. Multiply that by a few hours a month, and you're well on your way to reaching that $10,000 goal. But there's one more way to make money that has the potential to scale beyond even $10,000. Creating content on YouTube or Instagram may sound intimidating, but it's one of the best ways to build a brand that pays off in the long run. Start by sharing your experiences, your skills, or even documenting your journey. Imagine making money just by sharing your thoughts with the world. With platforms monetizing views, partnerships with brands, and sponsorships, you can earn money even as a beginner. And here's a little secret. Everyone has a story worth sharing. So, there you have it. 5 ways to earn $10,000 as a student, each with its own path to financial freedom. Now, this is just the beginning. Imagine where you could be a year from now if you started today. If you're ready to learn more ways to build wealth, click on this video where we break down how you can turn $1,000 into $100,000 through the power of compounding. And hey, if this video was helpful, hit subscribe to stay on top of all things money and success. Your journey to financial independence starts right here.